Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Our group is going to present about hazard found at UniMAP Malaysia Police Hostel. First and foremost, my name is Nurhazirah and these are the group members Siti Mahfuzah, Sok Yin and Khalis Danial Nukman. A hazard is any source of potential damage, harm or adverse health effects on something or someone. Basically, a hazard is the potential for harm or an adverse effect. From this picture, there are some hazards and one of them are safety hazard, which is electrical hazard. There are too many plugs connected in single socket. It will cause electric shock or short circuit. To control this hazard, the engineering control method is used by college manager to provide more socket for students. This is because the socket is quite important for students to use in their daily days. Moreover, the socket area must be suitable so that the student can use all the sockets that have been provided. Then, this hazard also will be controlled by an administrative method. College managers will put a warning at all sockets at the house for remind students not to use the socket with the overload plugs. Overloading a socket can destroy complete homes and lifetime possessions. That's all from me. Thank you. I will pass this presentation to Sok Yin.
Thank you, Hazira. The next hazard found is biological hazard. From the picture, we can see that the dustbin is full of rubbish, bottles and containers are gathered around it. This will provide a suitable breeding site for the insects such as cockroach and also fungi. In order to control this hazard, the elimination method is used by removing the things that might be the breeding site for the insects and fungi. Besides, insecticides can be used to get rid of the insects. Also, through administrative control, the authority can prepare recycling places and provide training for students to do recycle. That's all from me. I'll pass to Khalis to continue.
Thank you, Sok Yin. I will take it from here. For the next hazard is chemical hazard. In this picture, we could observe there are a few chemical substances were placed too close to the food and the beverages. We can also observe there are a few detergent bottles on the floor. This can cause the slippery floor due to the spillage. Next, we are going to discuss on how to control this hazard. Based on the hierarchy of hazard control, we can use engineering control. How? For example, we can buy a pantry or a food shelf and store the food or the beverages in the shelf or the pantries. Next, we can use administrative control. For example, we can move the detergent bottles on the safer place or high place. For the next part, I'm going to invite Siti Mahfuzah to continue.
Thank you, Khalis. Lastly is ergonomic hazard, which is bad posture when lifting heavy boxes. When muscles in the back are contorted in unnatural position, strained or suddenly twisted, muscle spasm often occur. The best way to control this hazard is to use engineering controls, such as using the device to lift and reposition heavy boxes to limit force. Besides, use administrative controls where the authority provides exposure to students of proper lifting techniques via poster or brochure. In a nutshell, it is important for us to identify the hazards around us in order to avoid adverse effects. Better safe than sorry. It is all from us. Thank you.